Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect Logitech G305 wireless mouse with MacBook. So basically what you'll need to have is battery and mouse dongle. So let's get started. First of all, take your Logitech mouse, just open the compartment and you'll see the dongle itself right here. So just take it out. And now you'll need to put the battery. So the plus should be pointing this way, as you can see. So just put it like this. And now just power on the mouse. After that, put this white panel back again and you'll be able to use the mouse. So basically just plug this USB to MacBook using the adapter or something like that, and basically you'll be able to use your mouse. So if MacBook doesn't have USB, so you can take the adapter that looks like this, just Type-C with USB, just plug it like that and you'll be good to go. So, if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.